Ruben Amorim being sacked by Manchester United is long time coming. Long time. The way he just come to the media and just talk anyhow, just say anything like he has lost ideas. For me, Ruben Amorim has lost ideas. Since the moment they signed him, he doesn't have an idea on how to coach these players. He doesn't have an idea. He's saying he wants to be a manager, doesn't want to be a coach. He wants to have the same transfer of players. It's not at Manchester United. The way they are being run, the sporting although yes, the sporting director and the coaches they have and I go, okay, I want this kind of player. It doesn't matter that this exact player. I want this profile of player. Then the sporting director will find that profile of player. Doesn't mean that they are going to give it that exact kind of that exact name. But the way football is being run now is not about the managers any longer. Those are old school. If you want to be about the managers, all those successful managers, Pep, those kind of managers, they have a saying who comes in and because they have a lot of wealth of experience, they have a lot of credit in their bank. Those kind of managers. But for me, it's a long time coming because this is the worst manager in Manchester United. He didn't have up to 40% winning ratio. He didn't have it. Worst manager in Manchester United history. Eric Ten Hag is using as bad as this. It's too, the time they're giving him is too long for me. It's too much. Saying after 18 months he's going to leave, and then they'll quickly give him the sack later. For me, Burnley against Manchester United, new manager's bounce, then Fletcher taking on the mantle for interim basis for this match. So I'm thinking maybe Manchester United wants to do new manager bounce, try to beat Burnley, and Burnley have been poor, but they'll be fighting for their lives. So it's going to be a keenly contested match. Burnley fighting for relegation, Manchester United fighting for a new manager bounce. So for me, it's going to be a good watch, a good balanced game.